In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a column in a Snowflake table. Sometimes, as our data needs evolve, our tables need to accommodate new types of data. Adding a new column can help you expand your database and organize your data more efficiently. Let's begin by discussing the command you'll be using, which is the alter table statement. This command allows you to make changes to an existing table's structure, in this case, adding a new column. The essential part of the command we will focus on is the add column clause, which tells the database specifically that you're adding a new column. To start, keep in mind the basic format for this operation. It goes as follows: alter table, then the name of your table, followed by add column, then the name you want for your new column, and finally, the data type of this column. Optionally, you can follow it with any constraints you wish to impose on this new column. Let's break this down further for better understanding. First, decide which table you're going to be altering. The placeholder represents this table. Insert the actual name of your table here. This is crucial because you want to ensure you're altering the correct table, especially in situations where you could have databases with multiple tables. Next, you determine the name of the new column. This is represented by choose a name that is descriptive yet concise enough to give you a clear understanding of the data it will hold. This practice keeps your database organized and the data easily identifiable in the future. The third component is specifying the data type for this new column. This is indicated by data types in Snowflake can range from varchar for variable length strings, int for integers, to date for date values, among others. Choose the data type that best suits the kind of data you anticipate storing in this column. Finally, there are optional column constraints you might wish to apply. The placeholder gives you the flexibility to impose rules on your new column. For example, if you want to make sure that every row in this column has a value, you could use the not null constraint. Alternatively, if you want to prevent duplicate values in the column, the unique constraint would be suitable. As you craft your alter table statement, keep these elements in mind, and remember to check your work before executing the command to make sure everything is spelled correctly, and all necessary details are included. That's it. You now have the knowledge to add a column to a table in Snowflake effectively. This process is a valuable step in maintaining and expanding your database as your data needs grow.